Welcome to my YouTube channel GAMAARZ. Today, we get review about efficient robotic pool cleaner automatic vacuum for all pool types. Title: Dive into Cleanliness, a review of the efficient robotic pool cleaner. Automatic vacuum for all pool types. Maintaining a sparkling clean pool has never been more effortless, thanks to the efficient robotic pool cleaner, an automatic vacuum designed to cater to all pool types. As an indispensable tool for pool owners, this robotic cleaner combines efficiency, versatility, and ease of use to take the hassle out of pool maintenance. One of the most commendable features of this robotic pool cleaner is its efficiency in keeping pools spotless. Equipped with powerful suction capabilities and intelligent navigation technology, the cleaner can efficiently remove dirt, debris, and even fine particles from the pool's floor and walls. Its ability to cover the entire pool surface methodically ensures a thorough cleaning cycle, leaving the water crystal clear and inviting. Versatility is a key strength of the efficient robotic pool cleaner. Compatible with all types of pools, including in-ground and above-ground varieties, the cleaner adapts to various shapes and sizes effortlessly. Whether your pool has tile, vinyl, or concrete surfaces, this automatic vacuum proves its adaptability, making it a suitable choice for a wide range of pool owners. The ease of use is a standout factor that sets this robotic cleaner apart. With a user-friendly interface and simple setup, even individuals with minimal technical expertise can operate the cleaner effortlessly. Many models come with programmable scheduling options, allowing users to set cleaning times that align with their preferences. The automatic shut-off feature adds an element of convenience, ensuring that the cleaner completes its task and then powers down to conserve energy. Efficient energy consumption is a noteworthy aspect of this robotic pool cleaner. Engineered with energy-efficient motors and smart algorithms, it optimizes power usage without compromising performance. This not only contributes to environmental sustainability but also translates into cost savings for the pool owner over time. The durability and build quality of the efficient robotic pool cleaner are notable features. Constructed with robust materials, the cleaner can withstand the harsh pool environment, including exposure to chlorine and varying water conditions. The reinforced brushes and filters ensure a long lifespan, providing pool owners with a reliable and durable solution for their cleaning needs. Maintenance is a breeze with this robotic pool cleaner. The accessible filter compartments and easy-to-clean components make it hassle-free for users to keep the cleaner in top condition. Regular maintenance is crucial for the longevity of any pool cleaning device, and the design of this cleaner facilitates quick and efficient upkeep. In conclusion, the efficient robotic pool cleaner, automatic vacuum for all pool types stands out as a reliable and user-friendly solution for pool maintenance. Its efficiency, versatility, ease of use, energy efficiency, and durability make it a compelling choice for pool owners seeking a hassle-free and effective cleaning solution. Dive into the convenience of automated pool maintenance with this efficient robotic cleaner, and spend more time enjoying your pristine pool rather than laboring to keep it clean.